TechnoCouple channel. Till now we have mostly posted about voice agents. Recently we got to create and communicate with digital humans too. Thanks to Anam AI, you can now create photorealistic and expressive personas for your use case. Whether it is customer support, sales, education, Anam offers AI personas which can take customer experience to the next level. In this video, we will walk you through Anam AI's video agent platform and will show a demo. First step would be to sign up. After sign up, you will be on Anam's free plan. In the home page, you can see Anam provided agent templates, or you can create your own agent. In the build page, you can see a template video agent ready for your use. Now let's look at the other options in the sidebar. Personas is where you will see the agents that you have created. Here in the Publish tab, you will see the published agents. You will need to publish agents so that you can actually use them. In the Avatar section, you can give a new face to your video agent. You can either upload the image or capture using a camera, or you can generate one using AI. This option is enabled only after the account is upgraded to Pro. The Voices section is the voice library. Anam supports 11labs and Cartesia as of now. Anam also provides different LLM options like GPT, Llama, Gemini, Kimi for your agent's brain. If you want to fetch information from an external app and use it during the conversation, for example, stock price of a company, you can create a tool in the Tools section and reference it in your agent configuration. You can also train your agent on a knowledge base by uploading documents. Anam supports PDF, TXT, MD, DocX and CSV extensions. Anam also provides session analytics and usage information. Here you can see session activity, minutes used and concurrent sessions. For using Anam programmatically, you will need to create an API key here. Anam also provides an extensive API documentation for developers. Now let's create an agent. We are going to build a mock interviewer agent which helps the user to practice for the voice AI technical interview. We will name it Tina. Now we will provide a short description using which the system prompt will be generated. Here you can see skip greeting option as well. When it is enabled, the persona will wait for the user to start the conversation. Let's wait until the system prompt is generated. So our prompt is generated successfully now. So here you can see it has added different points like tone, personality, goal of the agent. And you can also see in the right bottom that how many tokens are used for this prompt. Next, you can choose the face of your agent. We will select Kara. Moving on, you can choose the voice of your agent. We will select Katie from Cartesia. Next, you can choose the LLM. We will select Gemini 2.5 Flash. Now we don't have any tools to be called, nor we are using any knowledge base option. So we will leave it as it is. Now we'll save our agent. Okay, so you can see on the screen persona is created. Now we can test it by clicking the start button, and once the agent is validated and ready, you will need to publish this so that you can access it outside of the dashboard, for example in the form of embedding or shareable link. Now let's talk to Tina.
Welcome to this voice-based mock interview. I'm here to help you practice your voice AI knowledge and provide constructive feedback at the end. Let's get started with the first question. What are the two main types of voice AI architecture used to build a voice agent?
One is the pipeline based architecture, which contains the speech to text, LLM, and TTS pipeline. The another is speech to speech architecture, where the agent takes the speech input and produces the speech output. There is no intermediate speech to text conversion.
Okay, that's a good start. Now let's move on to the second question. What general guidelines do you follow to reduce end-to-end latency in a voice agent?
So few things we can do, starting with using streaming APIs instead of batch processing. Another is to reduce the network hops by using servers which are close to the users. And LLM inference time is important. The time to first token should be of lower value.
All right, now that you've answered both questions, let's summarize your responses and provide some feedback. You identified the two main types of voice AI architecture as pipeline-based and speech-to-speech, which is correct. However, you could have elaborated a bit more on the differences between these architectures and their use cases. For the second question, you mentioned using streaming APIs, reducing network hops, and optimizing LLM inference time to reduce end-to-end latency, which are all good points.
Okay.
To take it further, considering factors like caching, audio encoding, and decoding, as well as optimizing the dialogue management system, can also help reduce latency. Additionally, it's essential to strike a balance between latency and accuracy, as overly aggressive optimizations can sometimes compromise the quality of the voice agent's responses. Overall, your answers showed a good foundation in voice AI concepts, but could benefit from more depth in specific examples. To improve, I'd suggest studying real-world implementations of voice agents, exploring case studies, and experimenting with different architectures and optimization techniques.
Okay.
With practice and experience,
that's a good feedback.
You'll become
I'll
more-
keep those things in mind. Thank you.
You're welcome. It was a pleasure chatting with you and helping you practice your voice AI knowledge. If you have any other questions or want to simulate another interview, feel free to ask.
I'm good.
Otherwise, good luck with. All right, it was a pleasure assisting you, and I hope you found this mock interview helpful.
Yeah.
Have a
bye.
great day.
Bye.
Goodbye.
So that was Anam AI's video agent. We think the conversation quality and the agent overall was fantastic. The agents we built are using the Kera 2 model. Anam recently launched the Kera 3, an enhanced video agent model which is much more expressive. It can wave at you, fix its hair, adjust the position, lean forward. Maybe we will cover that in another video. Do try Anam AI and let us know in the comments about your experience. That's all for now. We will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.